How to cook canned mackerel with spinach and sotanghon. First things first, let's saute garlic and onion. Next, we add the tomatoes. Next, we add some salt and some pepper. So this is the brand of mackerel that I used. I used 4 cans of Saba mackerel. And then we add enough water. We cover and let it boil. Next, it's time to add the sotanghon. We cover it again and cook for a few minutes. And lastly, we add the spinach. And then we're done. Thank you for watching.